Good afternoon, or maybe good evening. Evening is approaching over here. First of all, let me thank all my viewers, my subscribers, new and old, and all my technical and non-technical brothers and sisters out there who are viewing my channel. Thank you very much. I say, right tools for right job by Noor Ali. Thank you very much. Let's continue on this packet, on this binder, which I am sharing and teaching and growing with it. So let me share this packet, which will be the most important part. So here we go. So this one is titled Network Definitions. So as you can see, that network definition is the most important part of any certification you are planning to get, earn, or achieve. See, let me repeat that: get, earn, or achieve. And of course, you have to pay out of pocket. Once you pass it, then you have to submit, if you're working full-time, to get it reimbursed. But that takes time, effort, commitment, and patience, and hard work. Study, 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 practice, practice, practice. All right. So this little packet gives you a breakdown of everything that you need to know and understand in information technology. Starting from help desk to desktop support to field engineering to depot work, if you're doing depot work. Been there and done that. So if you're working in data center, if you're working in command center, if you're working in SOC, security operation centers, these are the important stuff, items, subject matter that you need to know and understand as you move vertical, horizontal within IT. Now, Ethernet cables are still used. Wi-Fi is still in demand. Fiber optics, of course, in data center, and thin coaxial. Coaxial is still used in audio, video, and telecommunication and data communication. Rest of the devices, you may find them scattered away throughout the campuses, buildings, and offices in Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 companies. Like I said before, how you keep your notes, which you have worked on, which you have collected, gathered throughout the years, practicing, working as a pro in IT field. You gotta know your layer 2, layer 3, quality of service if you're on the network side. Servers, yeah, you can be a help desk guy, you can be a desktop support guy. You'll be touching the servers on and off, virtual, physical, all sorts of, all types. All right. So it just depends what your tasks are, assignments are, what project or contract you take over. Well, phone lines are still in use, so you have to know about it. There are still telecom people working. You got to know, at least for exams and certification, you have to know these things. Once you pass the exam, that's a different story. So if you're still in process of taking your A+, Network Plus, Server Plus, Security Plus, and other vendor, OEM vendor certification, either in the network or other vertical or horizontal field, you need to know this information. Now the terms are here. Terms means speed, pros and cons, method, speed, pros and cons, half duplex, full duplex, speaking phone talk, all these terms, words and its meanings. You got to know some of it. It's going to come back to you. And if you don't know them, a packet like this will be helpful as a refresher. Okay. As I said, we all have different methods of learning, speaking, reading, reviewing, teaching, sharing, and mentoring. We are all different, right? Different folks, different strokes. You do you, right? But there is a process, there is the method, and how you document stuff, how you keep stuff. That's another ball of skill set that you got to know. You have to know your packets. They're all packets, right? If you're doing a network troubleshooting or you're a network engineer, network analyst, you're going to be living in that world. Protocols, packets, and ports. Wireshark and other tools, that's what they are used for. So here is the information. Now, something that you use every day, day after day, you're going to get master at it, right? But something that you don't use every day, but you have to know it. That's why you keep reference chart, reference sheets, cheat sheet, either on your cell phone, either on your computer, by your desk, so you can refer to it, okay? The more you use, the better you get. Practice, 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 right? Either as a hands-on skill set, whatever skill set that is. If you don't practice, if you don't use something, you're going to lose it. You don't use it, you lose it in IT. That's the common phrase used, has been used for many, many years now. All the information that you see in this packet is valid, current, and it's used today. Okay? This is very practical and realistic study material. The aim is not to memorize. No. The aim is to understand it and know it when it's going to come across you, when you're going to use it, when you're going to apply it, and why you're using it. That's the aim and that's the goal. So all the keywords and its meanings are right here. They're all technologies, and you will find them. You'll find all this around you in the offices, conference room, meeting rooms, boardrooms, MDF, DMARC room, data centers, utility rooms. Yep, you will see them. And you will have to know how to fix the equipment, how to troubleshoot it. And it's good to have this kind of information handy. Next packet I will share, because the video is getting too long, will be on ports and protocols by port numbers. Very important to know. Once again, I want to thank all my viewers, audience, subscribers, old and new. Thank you very much. God bless. Like I say, share, learn, teach, and grow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Till next time. Bye.